2,000 point army and it's only got 5 minis in it. It's got to be knights.
Really? Welcome back to the Kieran Show. This week we're talking about Chaos Knights.
The bestest of knights.
Oh yeah, not the Imperial
Or the
Knights.
worstest of knights, depending on how you fall.
Yes. We're talking about knights, not both that we were expecting, just the one, and they're the heretical kind.
They're the best ones. They're the ones we care about.
Yeah, for sure. They're the cooler ones. They've had some pretty wild nerfs.
Yeah, spoilers. There's only like 5 minis in here, so we should probably try to make this video a bit longer.
Yes. Or
so we're not done, so...
Yeah.
If we had a second, like, in between every word, we'll get to, like, the peak level, and then it'll be the same as our other Army Cost videos.
Sure. And maybe we should bore them every 5 seconds by shilling every minute.
Yeah, if you want to buy 5 minis, go here.
Yeah, click the link down below. Then become a member and buy us a fan, because it's the hottest day of the year in the UK right now.
If we're looking wet, it's because we are wet. It is the warmest day in the UK.
If you think...
You know what we should do? You know what we should do? We should make an OnlyFans.
Please subscribe to our OnlyFans account by clicking the Become a Member down there. You won't get any porn.
We can buy a fan.
We just want fans. Only fans. We're so hot.
Right, dad jokes aside, we're not going to make it really long.
No. So don't subscribe to the OnlyFans.
Right, let's get into this.
Wonderful.
Chaos Knights don't typically have a lot of miniatures unless you run full Wardogs. Spoilers, I'm not going to run full Wardogs because this is like, as we always say, this is like an army cost as like a whole.
Did you say full or full?
Full.
Ah, nice.
Like, this is a collection based.
Yes.
You got some variety.
Not much.
Spice of life.
Not much, but still variety.
There's 3 different patterns of Wardogs?
I don't know. I didn't even know they had that many.
Yeah.
Fair. Maybe we should start from the top.
Yeah. As we always say, these are GWRRP. This is the worst it can be. So, let's get into it.
Okay.
We're starting off with the Combat Patrol box.
Huh?
Doesn't exist.
All right. I was like, sorry?
What would you put in that Combat Patrol box? It's just the War Dogs box, isn't it?
How much? No, that's
It's 4 War Dogs, because that's what, about 100 quid. £57.50 for each, but...
Well, that's what they did with the Mega Gargants, isn't it, in Age of Sigmar? Their spearhead is just 3 of the old Gargants.
Really?
Yeah.
Boring.
It is boring.
Right, first up, it's the Knight Ruinator.
Is that the new one?
Ruinating you!
Oh, we thought the OnlyFans jokes were going to end. Turns out they won't. What is the Ruinator the new one?
It's the new one with the
Nice.
the weird punchy siege drill thing.
Awesome. It's sort of what the Gene Sealer Colts need. Or the Votan.
You know what you could do? You could do a kit bash. You could take the arm off that and put that on a like rock grinder.
Kill rig. The kill rig idea with that.
It's only one arm, Kieran. It's like this big. It's not big enough to do your kill rig idea. You'd have to get like 5. You get like 5 of them and strap them together.
Now we're talking. Don't buy fans. Buy this.
Right, 350 points for the Ruinator and £120.
Awesome.
Get used to £120. It's going to recur a couple of times.
Oh, a couple? That's good.
We don't have variety in pricing.
Yes,
for this.
That is a real shame.
The funny thing is, all of the kits can build all of these things.
Yes. Mainly there. Yes.
Ruinator, yeah, it's the newer one. It's the cool one. But next up is my favourite Chaos Knight of them all.
Of them all. Is it the Rampager?
It's the Rampager.
Oh boy! Combat, baby, let's go.
Yeah, double melee.
I mean, it's a great time.
Cut it up a little bit so it's in a running pose. It looks wicked. 335 points and another £120.
Well, so far, like the points per pound ratio is all right.
Is it? £120 for 335 points?
Maybe it is terrible. It's 1 point. No, 3 points to £1. No, it's worse than that.
It's £3 to 1 point.
Yeah, no, that's not good, is it?
No.
Oh, that's a shame.
That's probably wrong.
Is this going to get expensive?
Maybe.
Oh dear. Go on, continue.
Right, we're buying another box again.
Oh, good. One more.
So it's 3 big knights. This time it's the Desercrator.
Okay, which one is this one?
It's got the laser destructor thing and a claw, if I remember rightly.
I believe you.
335 points again and £120.
What amazing value. Good.
This one's cool. It's got the big gun thing. Awesome. It's kind of like your all-rounder knight. You could build this as an abominant, but I don't like the abominant. I don't like the scourge thing.
Oh, yeah, because it's got like the whippy sticks and then the tail as well.
I like the tail. I just don't like the flailing arms.
See, I'm fine with the squiddy, but I'm not okay with the tail. I think the tail looks dumb.
Oh, I like the tail.
I don't get why. Why does it have a tail?
I don't know. It just looks cool. Just swinging around it's because he's such like a cool knight. It's it's got like a strut.
So you like the big knight with the tail because it has a swagger?
Yeah, just like me.
I've got nothing. Continue.
That's the end of the big knights.
Excellent. Good.
So, just for full reference, we are clocking in at over 1,000 points.
I was worried where you were going then.
We've got 3 models.
Thanks, Games Workshop.
I mean, to get an army fast, you've only got to paint 3 things.
They're big things, though.
Right. It's 2 fast, 2 Wardog now.
Okay.
We're buying a few.
How many is a few?
So, they come in boxes of 2.
Right.
So, bear that in mind.
Is that 2? Is it?
Yeah, one Wardog, one Wardog. This Wardog went to market, this one stayed home.
Oh, is that what you've done? Is that what have you bought one?
Not yet. That's in a minute.
Oh, right, okay, sure.
We'll talk about that.
One is staying at home.
First up, it's the Wardog Stalkers.
Again.
2 of them, so you buy 1 box of Wardogs to build them both as Stalkers, £57.50, 140 points each, or 280 points for the pair of them.
Nice. That seems like better value. Oh, that's where the value is.
Yeah, Wardog's great.
All right, nice.
Yeah, so, circa 2 minutes ago in this video, you're like, 350 points is great value for 120 quid. We've got 280 points for 50 quid.
Pause. That's not what I sound like. It might be what I sound like, but it still hurts.
Right.
You're out of line, but you are right. Continue.
How dare you be right?
Yeah, you've hurt my feelings, even though I know it's true. Continue.
Right, Wardog Brigands. Again, we're buying another box of Wardogs.
I feel like I'm just nodding at this point. I don't know what any of these minis are. I'm like, small knights. Good.
Nodding dog. Wardogs. Get it?
What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
It's the heat.
Yeah, it's got to be the heat. I'm losing my mind.
2 Wardog Brigands. Again, we're buying a box of Wardogs, build them both as Brigands. 280 points, 140 points each, £57.50. I feel like I've got deja vu here.
Perfection. Absolute perfection.
Then again, buy another box of Wardogs and run them as Karnivores.
Oh, okay. They're the pure close combat ones, right?
I believe so, yeah. So
nice. That's the only one I know. All the others mean nothing to me.
Style.
Yeah. Nailed it.
£57.50.
Absolute. It's cinema. Absolute cinema.
I mean, we've got 6 Wardogs.
It's all looking pretty good.
It's looking pretty good until you get to this bit.
Okay.
So, because the Chaos Knights range is not a diverse one,
even though we've tried to make it.
Even though we've tried to make it diverse, things only come in boxes of 2 or 1. You don't have a thing to pad out. And because everything is quite a high points...
You're left with spares.
You're left with a chunk of points and not a lot to do with them. So we've got to buy a box of... So I've bought a box of Helverins, and they're the Imperial Knights versions, but they're whatever. So buying a box of Helverins, but we can only run 1 of them.
Okay.
For 140 points. So I've ran it as a Huntsman, for the purposes you could go either way, but it's still £57.50. So we end up with a Wardog left spare.
So £57.50 for 1 mini, effectively.
Yeah.
Oh, woof. Yeah, that's about time. Okay.
So technically we're buying 2, 4, 6, 8 Wardogs, but we can only run 7.
I mean, it's a first world problem, isn't it?
Yes.
But the problem is if you wanted to run all 8 Wardogs, you'd have to remove a whole knight, and then you're left with too many points over.
Yeah, you don't have enough to...
Or under, sorry.
What's hilarious is, so I tried to go, okay, well, what if I take 1 big knight out, and we run the 8 Wardogs? You still then have enough points left over to run 1 extra Wardog, and not the 10th one in that instance.
Absolute nightmare you've created. An absolute nightmare.
Yeah.
Huh.
So
Is this why everybody runs War Dogs all the time? Just because they're saving lots of money?
They can fit them in the points.
Yeah, they're just saving loads of money.
Yeah. I mean, it gives you a diverse collection. You could build one as a huntsman and one as a the other one. It's just falling out of my brain.
Nice.
And you got some diversity. But yeah.
Let us know down in the comments below.
I mean, if you want to run just this list, you've got mad basing now.
What, cutting up a whole War Dog
You can have one stood on top of it.
until GW makes the points so much cheaper, and then you've used all of the War Dog you could have had in the list.
£57.50 for base.
Gross. Nice.
Yes. So just to recap, because we don't have a lot of minis, we've got a Knight Ruinator, we have a Knight Rampager, a Knight Desercrator, 2 Wardog Stalkers, 2 Wardog Brigands, Karnivores, and a box of Helverins / Armagers that we can only use one of.
Fair enough.
Have a guess. How many points?
Points. Like
You're taking too long. 2k on the nose!
on the nose. Good grief.
Adding a codex and a data cards in here.
Of course.
Small addendum. This Chaos Knight book is £37.
Huh? What? Even with like 5 data sheets?
Yeah.
And the data cards.
£16.
Better. You're still cutting down trains for no reason, but fine.
Have a guess how much you think this like 7 minis would cost you.
Well, I did think that the
Bear in mind,
big knights were good value, and then I was immediately wrong. Surely it's not £600.
no, it's not £600.
Okay, well that's
It's 643.
Huh? £643?
Yes.
What? I thought this would be a cheaper one. I thought we'd go under £600.
Nope.
Oh my god.
It's because you got it's
It's the spare Wardog.
it's the spare Wardog.
Oh, but even then, it would only eclipse. No, just under £600.
Yeah.
Oh god.
I mean, no, because you don't only have 1,800 points if you took the Wardog off.
So if we all had time machines, what we would have said is go back in time and buy the Wardog box.
You can still kind of get it some places, but yeah, go and buy all Wardogs.
I mean,
I'm taking that as a yes. That means I can go and buy it.
army number 8 for this edition?
No, I already got Chaos Knight Army. That doesn't count as a new one. Technicality.
No, because you
Right. Anyway, we're getting off topic.
We are getting off topic.
$1,073 dues in America.
How much is it in? Oh, we just literally did that. Sorry, it's so hot. I think I blacked out.
Yeah, $1,073 in America.
Awesome.
833 euros and 50 cents in Europa land.
Why does it feel like this is going to be hella spenny for Australia?
$1,516 dues.
Okay, similar price to what the Space Wolves were.
Yeah, but at least you got more than 5 minis there.
I mean, you could probably crank it out quite fast.
I don't know. It depends how try-hard you want to be with those armor panels. Like some people do like freehand and all sorts.
That's true. I think for a Knight's Army, if you're spending that much on that little minis, you'd want to make sure that they look really, really brilliant.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
But
I'll be
Chaos
honest.
Knights in the book.
It's a good list. Well, I mean, it's a good list, in my opinion. That I know
It's
nothing
varied,
about.
but
I know nothing about Knights. It's a good list.
I think my still favourite way to run Knights, Imperial or Chaos, is with other things. You have them as like supporting units.
Yeah.
You run the soup. I mean, I know people have PTSD flashbacks from where World Eaters players were running War Dogs with World Eaters in
Ninth
Ninth Edition, which was a bad time.
Thousand Suns as well.
Yeah, it seems to be the best way to run Chaos Knights.
Yeah, I think so. I think with their newer rules, let's say, it's probably not quite as strong.
I don't know. The jury seems to be out. Like everyone was like, when they took their toughness away, everyone was like, "Why have they done this?" And then I think after it's settled for a bit, after they've got like extra wounds, people have been a bit more like, maybe this is somehow a roundabout buff.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm only paraphrasing what I've seen other people say, so you know, it must be true.
It works the other way as well. I've seen people run Nurglings in a Chaos Knight list before.
That was hold objectives.
Oh yes.
Yeah, really irritating.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what was the other one? The other one you could run with the Changeling. That was the other one.
A Changeling, what's that? Oh, I know what that is. Yeah.
Stupid thing with the stick. The Harry Potter demon thing.
Yeah, bloody Zinch.
But yeah, let us know in the comments what you think of this Chaos Knights army.
For sure. If you'd like some Chaos Knights of your own, click the links down below and go buy them from Hobby Workshop, amongst other links that we've got down there, and a huge list of Kieran's that we need to thank. Our own war dogs. Oh, nice, strong, way to double down. Yeah, no, we love you guys. You make the world go round.
Yes.
Peace and love to you all. There, I said it.
What's next on we don't know what's next. Oh, no, we do know what's next. It's probably Grey Knights or Black Templars.
Yeah, it smells like Templars and Grey Knights, doesn't it?
I think that's next on the roadmap. But yeah, we'll see you in an army cost video, hopefully soon.
Yes.
There's still quite a few armies to come out in 10th edition, so...
Grey Knights, Templars, many Space Marines I've heard, Drakari, Votan.
No, now you're just reading off what's left.
Is that not exciting for you?
We don't know what's next, though. I think there's pretty much a Votan picture in that roadmap, though.
Yeah, true. It's going to be a busy summer. Busy summer indeed. Yes. But yeah, anything to sign off on?
Can I go and buy this? Because I had a really good time.
If you can get it under £500.
See ya.